Put it up there. Nope, I'm gonna hurt you. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Nope, that's the wrong way.
Good.
What is? I guess I'm gonna do it this way and hope that it's still recording. All right, Sesi, Masi, Mazi. So that little thing on the S, yeah, the little thing over this S means it's pronounced she. So it's Sesi, Mazi, which means in the beginning when we say that phrase over and over again, that's what that sounds like. But first thing I would like to do with this, if anybody's feeling theatrical, I would love to have a dramatic reading of the translation of this text. If anybody's feeling up to it. Rebecca, that would be great.
I got the eye contact, so I'm not related. Six little drummers ride along the road, drumming as they go. All six have silver gray horses. All wear hats of marten fur. All six have ridden into my father's yard. All six leap from their steeds and offer me a golden ring. I won't take it. I don't need it, a girl as young as I am. Where will I put it? I don't need it at all. When mother comes home, she'll ask, where did you get it? Who gave it to you? The local lads gave it to me because they love me, young as I am. Because they love me, young as I am, they're willing to wait until I grow up.
All right. So this story is about a young girl. It's from her perspective the whole way, right? So when we sing this song, we kind of have to think of the story that's going along with it. So in the beginning, we're saying like, six little drummers over and over again. And when we get into the two verses that sound major and minor, we talk about how they've ridden up. And that section that we've been working quite often with the sopranos and altos, the golden ring part, what we're saying there during that gorgeous six-part chord, that's golden ring, golden ring. And like, they're offering me a golden ring. So that's why it sounds so magical, because this young girl is getting this beautiful, gorgeous golden ring. And then that part that we go blah, 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 blah through is her contemplating whether to like take it or not. Where will I put it? I don't need it. So those are the kinds of things that the sopranos are saying. It doesn't translate what the altos are saying. So I'm going to have to do a little bit more research as to what we're saying there. But it's a bunch of like why she shouldn't take the ring. And as Bethany stated to the tenors and basses, that fun little thing that you're doing, you're being what she's thinking as her mother. In that section where you're back and forth, right? In your high falsetto voices going, oh, it's not on that page, is it? Cour, tu, ne, mi, caste, Dave, up in your Julia Child's voice. That's all you're being a mother. Being pretty angry that your young daughter just came home with golden rings from 6 people. All right, so thinking of the story a little bit more, first I want to just read through that new section with this new information in your head to see if that affects it in any way. So can we go to the top of page 5 there? And can we start at that double bar at VZ Sesi?
Measure 35.
Measure, yeah, I don't have, oh, I have them at the beginning of things. What? Sorry, that's my bad. Can we start right on that 39? I liked how none of you, or a couple of you, were looking up. So this time, I'm trying to get all of these dynamics that are in here into your voices. So this time, let's start at 39, right on golden rings again, and look up, because I'm going to give you some dynamic things.